people on to make sure the boat's nice and balanced. That way if we sink, we go down evenly. It looks better in the newspaper. The last thing we want is people complaining, you know? They were sinking before I was. I have max pass. That's how people sound if you say it out loud. So if you have it, cool, just keep it to yourself. Okay, time to pretend to drive a boat. Good morning, welcome aboard the Jungle Cruise. My name is Arvin. I'll be your tour guide for as far as we can. As we enter the rainforest, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, watch your kids because I don't want to. I'm just being honest, kids scare me. I'm not ready to be an adult. Baby's cool in my book, though. Keep doing you, man. All right, wildlife. Look at that. Wow. See how they stand on their hind legs and travel in small packs? Same rules apply. Bright colors mean stay away. Watch out for the small ones. I know they're cute, but they'll latch on for 18 to 25 years and slowly bleed you dry. Trust me, I was one of them. We now enter the ruins of an ancient camp. Holy cheese and crackers! Look at that, kids! Holy smokes! That's an Indo-Chinese tiger that can grow to be 500 pounds. If I'm not mistaken, that tiger can jump higher than a tree. Yeah, it's true. Trees can't jump. Ah, snakes! Yucky! Sorry, I don't like snakes. Moving forward. Get your cameras out. Welcome to stop number 1, the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool. Wow! Looks like the whole herd is here. That's unheard of. Fun fact for the kids while you guys look around. A baby elephant can grow up to 4 feet. Most humans can only grow up to 2. Knowledge is power. Okay, we're gonna stop by our safari camp. I heard they're making donuts. Oh, no. Stop it, Squirt. There's a baby right here. Stop it. Okay, go ahead. The baby's out of the way. Watch out, he's gonna get you wet. Use the kid as a shield. I mean, shield the kid. I'm sorry. I don't want to ruin your costumes. I would never do. Oh my goodness, let's go. Hey, what are you guys doing? Why are there barrels in the water? Copy that. I just got word gorillas took over the camp. Hopefully they didn't find my watermelon. Alright, I'm gonna say that's a no on donuts. Oh my goodness, that one has a gun. Let's keep going. On behalf of the Jungle Cruise, I'd like to apologize. We had no idea what was going on out here. Obviously, we just opened up for the day. Normally, if you're not familiar, that's where we tell our banana joke, but we're just gonna skip that today. Yeah, people don't find that appealing, anywho. Hey, but look, kids, there's Duncan. There's Duncan. Hi, Duncan. He's grumpy. Just up ahead of us here is the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. We'll go over that later. All right. And if I remember my studies, it looks like we're now heading up the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. Shut the front door. We got a pair of African bull elephants here. How exciting. These are different than the elephants you saw earlier. They are the largest land animal known to man. They're very smart. If you look to your right, this is Frankie. He's one of the youngest. Check this out. Frankie, speak! Oh, come on, louder! Okay, now stay. Good boy. Give it up for Frankie, everybody. I love you. I'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, this is stop number 2, the African savanna. Now that the sun's out, the animals come down to the water. Oh, great. And look at that, kids. Oh, how pleasant. Those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. That's how they sleep in the wild, children 8 and under. Right, adults? Yeah, he's dead tired, so we're just gonna go now. This is perfectly normal. Oh, great. How do I explain this? Kids, when you grow up... No, we're not gonna start there. Oh, this is why you never argue with the rhino. They always get their point across in the end. Okay, fine. I've never actually argued with one. What a rhino. Oh. Thank you. Oh, great. We got hippos. Everyone remain calm. I know it looks bad, but these hippos sunk 8 boats last week. Only 7 were mine. Okay, saying that out loud, we should probably just skip this part. There's a baby on. Okay, they're gonna block the way. Everyone remain calm. I got this. Cover your ears. Okay, false alarm. They just came up for air. Sorry. I panicked. There's a baby on board. Sorry, little baby. It looked like they were about to attack and they didn't. What a bunch of hypocrites. Thank you for the assist, sweetie. This is my favorite part coming up. This is headhunter territory. It's a great place to be headed. Oh, look, they decorated for Halloween. On your right, this is a sculpture. That's neato. Isn't that neat? Hey, and it looks like the natives are celebrating. They're usually not out this early. Let me see if I can translate. I know some of their language. Hold on. Nope. As you can, excuse me? No, this is a tour group. We're just passing through. That's an ambush. Get down! Is everybody okay back there? Yeah, good. All right, good. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! Kids, don't try that at home. You'll hit your head on the faucet. This is our last stop, the Amazon River. In my humble opinion, I saved the best for last. Limestone. Wow. Yeah, most people take it for granted. My sediment, exactly. My delivery should have been bolder. I thought that was marvelous. So you guys are a little jaded. Of course, you must be. Oh, geez, piranhas. We should go. Keep your hands inside. Women and children, you're safe. They're man-eating. Okay, I'm be honest. We're all safe. You're in a boat, okay? Yeah, just don't stick your hand in the water. We had an English teacher who did that. Now he teaches shorthand. Look at that, we're safe. Piranhas can't turn right. Hey, to welcome us back is our good friend Trader Sam. Without him, none of this would be possible. We're really happy to announce he just got a promotion. He's now the head salesman. So congratulations, buddy. But without further ado, here comes the most dangerous turn of our journey. The return to civilization. Give yourselves a round of applause. You survived the jungle cruise. Woo! As we approach the dock, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. We really bonded out there, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was great. You know what? Instead of the normal goodbye, we're going to try something different today. I'm going to leave you with a couple words of inspiration. Motivate. Inspire. Perseverance. Victory. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful